Hello everybody, I got the robots here. It's gonna look like this, so we don't get noises. Alright everybody, yesterday I went to CVS Pharmacy. I found Fidget building blocks and the SpongeBob Krabby Patty gummies meal. Hey Vector, time to put you in bed. Alright, he's in the charger. Also, guess what everybody? My friend gave this to me, a memory game. At school, my friend gave this to me. It's like a mini Simon game. We'll do it at the end of this video. Yeah, we'll do it at the end. Alright, let's start with this one right here. We'll do the Krabby Patty at the next one, and then we'll do the mini Simon. Also, everybody, yesterday we did the My Little Pony, the My Little Pony microphone.
This song is one of my favorites. Connect your MP3 player. Bye-bye.
Alright. We're gonna do the My Little Pony microphone at the end to do some more details, but right now, we're gonna open the Fidget building blocks. It's kind of similar to a video game, mobile game, and this is owned by Keycraft. Sorry, everybody. 3 robots are sleeping. I have an idea. We could use, to do some feelings about this. Oops. Alright, let's see. I think it's good. Alright, here it is. Let's open it up. It's to create your own levels. It's so hard to open like this. This is kind of hard. Come on. There we go. Gotta be careful with this part. It's gonna be a little sharp. Alright. There are no instructions included. This is what it looks like. It's like a puzzle. Let's do a very own level. Here we go. This part right here kind of looks like a traffic light, but very different. Alright, let's create our own level. They kind of look like Legos, but those aren't Legos. Alright, here we go. Let's solve this. Alright, this one goes here. Gotta use our brain. We don't want the brain rots or the demons in this video. For a healthy brain to play this game. Hope we're correct. Stop thinking. I better start thinking. This is levels are. Well, I have an idea. There we go. Hope we got this. Alright. Man, I don't remember where it goes.